Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, I will share about the tips to make use of the front camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus display. In the previous video, I already shared about how to use the hole punch camera cutout on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to show LED notification light. For those who haven't watched it yet, you can watch it here. Now in this video, I will talk about how to use the hole punch cutout display on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to show the battery percentage, or the percentage of remaining battery. To activate this feature, you need to download third-party application. You can find the app Energy Ring on the Play Store. This application has been released for a while in the Play Store, and before it only supported S10 and S10e smartphone. And now finally there was an update for this application, and now it supports for Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So now I try to use this application to display the battery percentage on the front camera ring. First, let's download the application. The application has been downloaded. Now let's open the application. At the bottom, just swipe. First, you have to activate the access notification. In the Energy Ring application, click, then allow it, allow, go back, go back, go back again, and swipe again, and click finish. Okay, this is how it looks. Here is the Energy Ring application to activate the camera hole punch cutout display to show the battery percentage. Here the battery percentage is 64%, so it shows the blue color. You can also set a different thickness level here. Then there is transparent rings option. Let's activate it. For the direction of the circle, there are some options like clockwise or from two directions, like this. It will show like this from two directions here. Clockwise animation will look like this. Starting from the right side continues to the left until it fills the whole circle. If you choose bidirectional, it will fill from two directions from the left, so it fills the entire camera to the right. One more option is counterclockwise. It fills from top right down. Underneath there is a choice to automatically hide the battery percentage in full screen. Let's choose this option. It will be very useful when playing games or watching YouTube, so this Energy Ring doesn't bother you. Then for charging animation, there are several animations for animation when charging. There are several choices. There is linear. The linear animation will appear like this. If you don't want to display animation, you can choose no animation option. Next, there will also be various other animations like acceleration, deceleration, next, accelerate, then decelerate, bounce. Let's look at animation. The bounce animation will look like this. Then anticipation. Here's the anticipation animation. Then the last one is speed breaker. Here I choose the standard ones, which is linear animation. At the bottom there is a segment option, which we can choose each color. So if the battery percentage is around 1 to 25%, the ring animation will be red. If between 26 to 50%, it's yellow, and 51 to 75% blue, and 76 to 100% green. Because now the percentage of the battery is 65, the animation is blue. You can also use these colors or choose the color by yourself according to what you want. You can also adjust this percentage. For example, use 1 to 50% is red and 50 to 100% is blue. You can also choose it here. And there are also other configurations which can only be unlocked if you donate to the developer of this application. Here we just use the default segment option. Okay, it's all set. The display when charging will look animated like this, and if you are done charging the device, the animation will stop. Okay, that's all for the tips on how to make use of the ring around the front camera on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to show the battery percentage. For those of you who want to maximize the use of hole punch cutout display on Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to show the battery percentage, you can use the ring energy application. I hope this video is useful for you, and also don't forget to click thumbs up button if you like this video, and also subscribe for those who haven't. See you in the next video.